Could you really start a profitable poultry farm for under $100? Well, most people will say no, but I'm here to prove them wrong. So if you ever thought that farming needs big land, big loans, or rich parents, this video is right for you, because I will show you how $100 can start a real poultry business. No theory, not motivational talk, but actual numbers, actual birds, and actual profit. So let us go and break it down. We are starting small and smart. For $100, forget large commercial setups. We are focusing on improved indigenous chickens or just broilers for quick turnover. Maybe you are asking, why improved indigenous chickens or broilers? Well, this is the answer. Fast growth, high local demand, low management cost, easy to sell even in villages. So no money spent here, just a decision. The second thing you are going to need is a house. You are just building your own. Don't buy a chicken house. And in this case, no fancy structures, no permanent buildings. I want you to use all the timber, all the iron sheets, cartons, used chicken wire. Are you getting me? So your budget will be nails, wire, and repairs. That should be $5 or something like that. And some iron sheets, that should give you something like $5 other. So the total housing cost should come to around $15 there. Remember, we are working with a budget. And let me tell you this, a dry ventilated space is all chickens need. Nothing more, nothing complicated, nothing expensive. Remember that we are dealing with a budget of $100 only. So we are not just buying many birds, we are buying them strategically. So we are going to buy 30 improved chicks, each at $1. So what do you get? $30, that is for birds. And I'm telling you, buy improved chicks. Why these birds? Because they grow faster than local chickens, eat less than broilers, sell at premium price. You see, small numbers is equals to low risk. So we are just buying 30 chicks. Chicken feeds is where many farmers lose money. And in this case, we are not going to overfeed them. We are going to feed them smart. So let me show you the budget breakdown. A starter feed, buy a small bag of $15. Grower feed, just buy a small bag of $10. Then supplements like salts, crushed shells, and greens, buy them for $5. Then have an emergency reserve of $5. So the total feed cost will be $35. Now let me tell you this. Chickens love vegetable peels, leftover ugali, greens, termites. So I want you to use them to feed your chicken to supplement their diet. Are you getting me? Health birds is equals to profit. Vaccines and basic meds, we are giving them $5. Then simple drinkers, you can use feeders, the DIY or the used ones at $5. So the total will be $10. Now remember this, clean water daily alone prevents most diseases. So let us add it up. Chicks we said $30, housing we said $15, feed we said $35, health and water $10. So the total is $90. So yes, you remain with $10 as emergency capital. If you kept broilers, they will have taken between 5 to 7 weeks. But because we are putting up with the improved indigenous, we are going to take between 3 to 4 months. So what is your main input right now? Your main input right now is time, cleanliness, and observation. No extra money is needed here. Let us be realistic. 30 birds survived. No loss accounted for, because we really ensured proper hygiene, meds and everything, feeding them correct, lighting was up, heat was correct. So the selling price per bird is $15, and in fact in some areas this birds goes to up to $20. So the total sales, let us be conservative and sell them at 15. So what are we getting? $450. So our profit margin will be, you take our profit, our money now, that is $450 minus our investment, our initial investment, which was $90. So what do you get? You roughly get $350 as your profit. Now here is the secret. You now have experience, contacts and confidence. Next cycle you have to reinvest, increase the number of birds. You can go to even 100 right now, because the cost will reduce and the profit will grow. That's how micro farms scale up. Now let me tell you my final message. This is not about getting rich overnight, okay? It is about starting. $100 won't change your life sitting in your pocket, but put it into poultry. It can start a journey. If you are watching this and thinking, I can do this, then yes, you absolutely can. If this video helped you, like it, comment micro farm, subscribe to COROBE Farm. More practical farming ideas are coming. Until next time, bye bye.